Understanding, I wish for peace, an insightful journey. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to our English language exploration series. Today, we're diving into the beautiful and meaningful phrase, I wish for peace. This phrase is not only simple in structure but profound in its implications. Let's embark on this journey together to understand its depth and usage in the English language. I wish for peace is a sentence made up of a subject, verb, and object. The subject, I, refers to the speaker. The verb, wish, indicates a desire or a hope for something. Finally, the object, peace, is what the speaker desires. Peace generally means a state of tranquility, freedom from disturbance, and harmony. In different contexts, it can imply personal inner peace, social or global harmony, and absence of conflict. This phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. Personal context, when someone desires inner peace or calm in their life. 2. Social context, in a situation where there is a desire for harmony and understanding among people. 3. Global context, often used when talking about a wish for an end to conflicts or wars in the world. Understanding the context is crucial because it gives depth to the phrase and helps the listener or reader grasp the full meaning behind the words. I wish for peace often carries emotional and cultural significance. It can be a universal sentiment, reflecting a common human desire for harmony and absence of conflict. A cultural expression. In some cultures, it's a common phrase used in prayers, wishes, or even as a greeting. Emotionally charged. It can express a deep longing, especially in times of personal turmoil or societal unrest. This phrase is frequently found in literature, speeches, and public declarations, where it emphasizes a desire for harmony, whether in fictional narratives or real-life discussions. Serves as a powerful rhetoric, especially in peace advocacy, political speeches, or humanitarian appeals. I wish for peace is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of a deep human longing. It's a simple yet profound expression that can be applied in various contexts, each carrying its own depth and meaning. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate this beautiful phrase. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language.